Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Diana Gomez, and today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name and hosting from Namecheap. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to buy both domain name and hosting on Namecheap, or how to simply buy domain alone or just hosting. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Okay, let's go to search box and type namecheap.com. And if we're going to buy domain, then let's go here and type the domain name that we're going to buy. Okay, here's the options. So for the artphilippines.com, it's $8.98. Then let's click add to cart. Okay, then check out. Then just click to confirm order. And then you need to create your own login account so you can be able to pay the domain name. Alright. And then if you want to buy the hosting, then let's click this part, the hosting. And then the most popular hosting in Namecheap is the shared hosting. The most popular is the Stellar Plus because it has a domain name already, unlimited websites, unlimited SSD, a free SND beta, auto backup. And then if you see other features of this hosting, you can see it below here. Okay, the email account, they have 30. And for the popular account, the Stellar Plus, they have unlimited. And also for the Stellar Business, it's unlimited also. So every detail is already in here. Just take a look. So once you decided to choose which package are you going to buy, okay, just click get started. And then choose the domain. Choose the domain. Or if you already bought a domain, just click this one. And then you have to sign in. So once you're signed in, Once you log in, there's an option here. You're going to choose the new domain name, or you're going to choose the existing domain name. All right, let's try the new domain name, the Art Philippines, and then add to cart. All right, just click confirm order, and then there's an option here. If you want to go to, if you're gonna use a card, a PayPal, or your funding in your account. So we just put all your information here. Or if you want to choose the PayPal, just connect your PayPal account. Or if you want to add to your balance, just click any of these choices. Once you figure out which one you're going to use, just click it and then continue. And the payment will go through. That's it for now. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.